Protect your privacy with anonym.legal, the Chrome extension that anonymizes your data before it reaches ChatGPT. Let me show you how easy it is. First, install the extension from the Chrome Web Store. It takes just seconds. When you visit ChatGPT, click the extension icon and enable protection. That's it. Now here's where the magic happens. Type your message normally. Include any personal information you need. When you click send, the extension intercepts and shows you exactly what it detected. Look at this. Names, emails, phone numbers, addresses, ID numbers. Everything is highlighted and beautifully categorized. You have full control. Choose your anonymization method. Replace with placeholders, mask partially, hash, or my favorite, encrypt with military-grade S256 encryption. And here's something amazing. You can select from over 85 country-specific presets. From United States to Deutschland, España to Japan, each one is optimized for local data formats. Ready? Click Send Protected. Your data gets anonymized before it ever leaves your browser. ChatGPT only sees encrypted tokens, completely unreadable. Your private information stays private. But here's the best part. When ChatGPT responds, you see your original information automatically decrypted, highlighted in beautiful green. Toggle between views anytime to see exactly what ChatGPT received versus what you see. And the security? Your encryption keys never leave your device. With our zero-knowledge architecture, even we cannot access your data. That's true privacy. Now let me show you the powerful settings. In the Account tab, manage your subscription and credits. The General tab lets you customize your experience. Presets tab, browse and manage all your anonymization presets. Encryption tab is where you manage your secure encryption keys. History tab shows your complete protection history. And About tab has all the extension information. The best part? Anonym.legal works everywhere. ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, DeepSeek, Perplexity, and many more. Protect your privacy today with anonym.legal.